I'm Holly, and I'm the children's librarian here at Alamosa Public Library in Alamosa, Colorado, and this is Storytime Online. It's been cold here in Alamosa, Colorado, where Alamosa Public Library is, and so in the mornings before the sun comes up and when the sun goes down, I've been wearing my mittens. They keep my hands warm. Mittens usually come in a pair, that means two, and they usually look alike. Here are my brown sweater mittens. Here are my ski mittens. This is how I remember to put my mittens on. It goes like this. Thumb in the thumb hole, fingers all together. That's what I wear in the cold, cold weather. Mittens! I have some pretend mittens. Would you like to see? There's a little green mitten with a white snowflake in the middle. And a red zigzag striped mitten. A yellow zigzag striped mitten. A dark pink mitten. And a big blue mitten with a snowflake in the middle. But there's a problem. I only have one of each. Let's see if you can help me match these mittens. Can you point to the mitten with the blue snowflake in the middle? That's right, you found it. It's this one. Let's hang them together to dry on the clothesline. Can you point to the yellow mitten with the blue and red zigzag? That's right, it's this one. Let's hang them together to dry on the clothesline. Can you point to the small green mitten with the white snowflake in the middle? That's right, it's this one. Let's hang them to dry on the clothesline. Can you find the red and green mitten with the white and green zigzags? That's right. It's this one. Let's hang this pair of mittens together on the clothesline. Can you find the small pink mitten? That's right, it's the last one. Here it is. Soon all of our mittens will be clean and dry. There, we matched the mittens. But what happens if one or both of the mittens are missing? Let's share a rhyme about 3 kittens who lost their mittens. You might know this one. You could say it along with me. I have some stick puppets to use to help me tell this story. It goes like this. 3 little kittens lost their mittens, and they began to cry. Oh, mother dear! See here, our mittens we have lost. What? Lost your mittens, you naughty kittens? Now you shall have no pie. Meow, meow, meow. Now we shall have no pie. So, 3 little kittens searched and found their mittens. And they began to cry, oh, mother dear, see here, our mittens we have found. What? Found your mittens, you good little kittens? Now you shall have some pie. Meow, meow, meow. Now we shall have some pie. 3 little kittens, wearing their mittens, soon ate up the pie. Oh, mother dear, see here, our mittens we have soiled. "What? Soiled your mittens, you messy little kittens." And they began to sigh. Meow, meow, meow. And they began to sigh. Then 3 little kittens washed their mittens and hung them out to dry. "Oh, mother dear, see here, our mittens we have washed." "What? Washed your mittens, you helpful little kittens? But I smell a mouse close by." Meow, meow, meow. We smell a mouse close by. I wonder why they and smell a mouse. Can you think of a reason why kittens and their mama cat would be sniffing for mice? Ah, that's right. Kittens and cats like to chase mice and sometimes gobble them up. Do you think that these cats and kittens would chase a mouse and gobble them up? Like a real cat or kitten? Do you think a real cat or kitten would wear mittens and bake pie? I have never seen a cat bake a pie. That's why I love stories so much. I never would have thought of that. What a good little story about keeping your mittens clean. That's a very old story that's in a lot of Mother Goose books, but also there's Barbara McClintock wrote this book called 3 Little Kittens, and I think that you'll recognize the story. She's made it very funny with some very funny little kittens. One morning, 3 little kittens were playing outside.
Do I smell? I smell it too. I think it's pie. Yes. Yum.
I hope you haven't lost your mittens again.
But they had lost their mittens.
Are we missing something? Oops. I just had them.
And they began to cry.
Oh, Mother dear, we sadly fear our mittens we have lost.
What? Lost your mittens, you naughty kittens? Then you shall have no pie.
No pie.
Not until you find your mittens.
Meow, meow, meow. We shall have no pie. Our mittens we have lost.
The 3 little kittens, they found their mittens, and they began to smile.
Oh, Mother dear, see here. Our mittens we have found.
What? Found your mittens, you good little kittens? Now you shall have some pie.
Meow, meow, meow. We shall have some pie. Let us have some pie.
The 3 little kittens put on their mittens and soon ate up the pie.
Oh, Mother dear, we greatly fear our mittens we have soiled.
You soiled your mittens, you naughty kittens. March over to the sink right now.
The 3 little kittens, they washed their mittens.
Just a little more soap. Hey, that's too much. I think we got some water on the floor. Let's get a mop. And a bucket and a sponge.
Then they hung them out to dry.
Oh, Mother dear, look here. Our mittens we have washed.
What? Washed your mittens, you good little kittens? You are the best kittens any mother ever had. But I smell a mouse close by.
Meow, meow, meow. We smell a mouse close by.
No worries, there's plenty of pie to go around. Sit down, everyone, and use your forks.
And they all had some pie.
Thanks for helping clear the table.
The end. Did you see that sweet little mouse at the end of that book? Were you surprised about the ending of that book? I have a rhyme about a little mouse, and it also involves a jingle. This is my little jingle, and this is my big jingle. And my rhyme goes like this. I heard a little jingle right outside my house. It sounded like the jingle of a little jingle mouse. He jingled to the ceiling. He jingled to the floor. He jingled till he fell asleep, and he began to snore. I heard a great big jingle right outside my door. It sounded like the jingle of a jingle dinosaur. He jingled to the ceiling. He jingled to the floor. He jingled till he fell asleep, and he began to snore. Speaking of dinosaurs, one of my favorite dinosaur songs is We Are the Dinosaurs by Laurie Berkner. I think we should pause Storytime Online and watch and listen to Laurie Berkner sing We Are the Dinosaurs while we do a dinosaur marching dance. Why don't you pause Storytime Online, and you can click the link below, or you can just type Laurie Berkner, We Are the Dinosaurs in the YouTube search bar. Go enjoy that song. I'll do my own dinosaur marching, and then meet me right back here for an awesome, funny, cute dinosaur book to end our story time today. I'll wait for you right here. Hope they're dinosaur dancing. Oh, you're back. Did you dinosaur dance? I love that song. But now we have a dinosaur book. It's called Rex Rexit. Have you ever had a friend or a sibling or a cousin that you've been playing with, and the thing that they like to do the very most is wreck it? This is a story about that friend. Maybe it's you. Rex Rexit by Ben Clanton. Do you notice something about those two words, Rex and Rex? They sound the same. But when I look at the letters are different. Meet Gizmo, Sprinkles, and Wild. They like to build things. And this is Rex. Roar! Rex, everything. Gizmo's out of this world rocket. What do you think's gonna happen? Rex it! Roar! Sprinkles' magical heart. Rex it! Roar! My heart! What do you notice about Rex's face? What do you notice about Sprinkles' face? Wild's wooden wonder of wowdom. Wow. Yep, Rex it. Rah, rah, rah! Gizmo, Sprinkles, and Wild have a plan. They're going to work together to build the biggest, strongest, most awesome-orific block castle ever! It will be so big, so strong, so awesome-orific that not even Rex will be able to wreck it. Hopefully. Here they are. They're making their plan. They're working together. Do you think this will be successful? Is it a good plan? Let's see. Phew! Almost done. It's big. It's strong. It's awesome-orific. But Rex wrecks it anyway. Roar! No. Oh boy. How do you think his friends are feeling? Look at their feelings. Everyone is upset. You broke my glasses. You wreck everything! Blockhead! Even Rex. Rory. But that brainy bot Gizmo has an idea. Let's build something even bigger, stronger, and more awesome-orific with Rex. New plan. What do you think? So, they all help build something new. And it turns out that Rex is a big help. He doesn't wreck anything, not even a little. It looks fantastic. Everyone is happy. Even Rex. Mostly. There is just one more thing to do to make it even better. Wreck it all together! Grr! Nee! Beep! Raw! Again? The end. I hope that you've liked these silly stories and rhymes today. But now it's time for us to sing goodbye. Do you remember the goodbye song? It goes like this. See you later, alligator, in a wild crocodile. Give a hug, ladybug, blow a kiss, jellyfish. See you soon, sweet baboon, out the door, dinosaur. Take care, polar bear, wave goodbye, butterfly, goodbye. Psst, be sure to like and subscribe for more videos. 3 little kittens